Did you know that over 37 million people in the US are living with diabetes? What if I told you that more than 100,000 of them have successfully reversed their condition? Today, we're diving into the world of diabetes management and exploring how this is possible. Welcome to our discussion on diabetes management. We'll uncover the surprising reality that many individuals are now diabetes-free and explore the strategies that can help others achieve the same. Living with diabetes presents numerous challenges. Many individuals face strict lifestyle restrictions, including dietary limitations and the constant need to monitor blood sugar levels. These challenges can lead to serious health risks, such as heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney issues. The emotional toll is significant as well, with feelings of isolation and frustration often accompanying the daily management of this chronic condition. Fortunately, there are effective methods for managing and even reversing diabetes. Key strategies include diet changes. Adopting a balanced meal plan rich in whole foods while limiting processed sugars can drastically improve blood sugar control. Exercise. Regular physical activity enhances insulin sensitivity and helps maintain a healthy weight. Innovative treatments. New medications and technologies, such as continuous glucose monitors and insulin pumps, provide better management options for patients. Together, these approaches empower individuals to take charge of their health and make informed choices. Let's hear from Sarah, who successfully reversed her type 2 diabetes after years of struggle. After being diagnosed, she felt overwhelmed by the restrictions placed on her diet. However, by working closely with a nutritionist, she discovered a meal plan that worked for her lifestyle. She incorporated regular exercise into her routine and joined a support group that kept her motivated. Within 6 months, Sarah not only lost weight but also saw her blood sugar levels return to normal. Her story is a testament to the power of determination and the right strategies. In summary, managing diabetes is challenging but not impossible. With the right diet, exercise, and support systems in place, many individuals can achieve remarkable results. There is hope for those currently struggling with this condition. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences or questions about diabetes management in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our related videos on health and wellness for more tips on living your best life.